As you know, we are the Burnout Show, and on this Burnout Extra, we're going to do burnouts, which is awesome because it kind of rarely happens. But we are going to show you how to do a burnout in an automatic car, and I have a 2021 Dodge Charger that we're going to show you step by step how to do a burnout in the car. The first step will be turning on the car, and then from there you want to find out how to turn the traction control off in your vehicle. So for most cars it will be slightly different. However, some of them have a button. This one here has a button that I can just push. So you want the traction control off because ultimately that will turn off your gas pedal if you're trying to do a burnout, because it will realize there's no traction. After that, obviously shift it into drive. And then, like I said, when you're in an automatic car, you actually take your left foot and place it on the brake, and then you take your right foot and place it on the gas and keep those feet on those pedals assigned to those pedals. So ultimately what you want to do is hold the brake down hard with your left foot and also hit the gas super hard with your right foot. That will brake the car with your left foot in the front of the car, and then in the rear of the car, your right foot on the gas pedal is providing so much torque and power through the engine and transmission that it will break free in the brake pads in the rear of the car and then allow you to spin the tires while not moving the car forward. So like I said, hard on the brake, hard on the gas, that will provide enough stopping in the front and then enough torque in the back that ultimately spins your tires. Right now, we're about to do a burnout in a 2021 Dodge Charger. So the first thing you want to do is put your left foot on the brake and hold that firmly, and then get your right foot ready. You want to shift it into drive, make sure that traction control is off, and then from here you are ready to go.
Woo! Yeah! It was doing little bunny hops.
Dude, it was. I couldn't prevent that.
I know.
Dude, the poor tire. So that right there is how you do a burnout in an automatic car. You hold those pedals firm and you hope for the best and most smoke possible. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hopefully we'll have more like this soon. We love doing this stuff, especially when the cars aren't ours and we don't have to pay for the tires. Definitely smash that like button, subscribe for more, and we will see you next time here on The Burnout Show.